Hi guys, Dan with Index Option Trading on May the 18th after the market closed, and we're looking at starting off with a chart of Dow Jones. As you can see, this is a trend line I have drawn from the lows here on August of 2010, and if I put my cursor here on this trend line, you can see it. I find it interesting that the trend line is very much intact, and the market has been moving on this trend line and above. And this is the 50-day moving average, which is also climbing, and this trend has been there since August of 2010, and the market has done nothing wrong to violate this trend line except here a little bit, and it seems like it's climbing from left to right at a 45-degree angle, and the market is very strong and bullish, even though we have been told that the market is about to crash and all the bad things are going to happen and the news are coming out. Even though the economy slows down a little bit and so on and so forth, we do get some sell-offs. There has not been a sell-off here as such. The market, Dow Jones, hit the 50-day moving average and bounced right back off, which happens to be this trend line right now. So this trend line is very much intact unless we break this trend line, break the 50-day moving average on Dow and other indexes and start traveling down. Then we should be concerned about the direction of the market. Till then, by looking at the chart as a technical analyst, you could just imagine where this market is going. It is making higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher low compared to the previous low and a previous low that was formed in March, that bottom in the March. Pcln oscillator here now is giving us a reading of minus 28 for most of the indexes. It was at 122 last video that we did, and let's look at it what SPX is doing, which is really a market that we look at it as a benchmark. Same thing here. I can draw a trend line here and it'll run parallel to this very nicely here. So the trend line is there. You can just imagine there's a trend line here. You connect these dots and it will come right here. And the market moved up here today sufficiently, 11.70, and the Pcln oscillator tool is still negative, minus 28. Got out from minus 122 readings yesterday, and it seems like its market is trying to get up and run higher to 1370 levels. We will just see how things happen. The Fed's meetings came out, the minutes came out. The Feds are going to be very cautious in raising the rates, as we know. And NDX, let's take a look at NDX. Apparently this was a very good day for the market. NDX made a very nice big candle. Pcln oscillator is minus 28 reading, and it was minus 128. So the tool has moved up, which it can move up to 150, 100 till it becomes overbought again. So it is bouncing off its 50-day moving average nicely. And the SPY, we'll just take a look at the volume here, SPY, and how the volumes have been. The volume have been pretty decent, 135 million shares here. Let's go into some of the stocks that we currently hold. Pcln here, take a look. Pcln had a great day here today. It slid down here a big time the other day and made a U-shaped recovery here. Just slid down here 17 points, and today it gained about 14 points at 15.18. This is the flag that it is making. It has done this before. It has done it here, and this time is no exception. Is going to go up much higher if it breaks out above the 518 level. 101.3 million shares, and is still oversold. Then we have Lululemon Athletica, which is leading a stock, and this is the pattern it formed in this correction here. You see that nice bull flag here? That's a continuation pattern, and it broke out today at 98. It's going to go to 100. We're going to take some profits right there at 100, and 100 shouldn't be a problem for this stock to do in a day or so. And then we have CMG, which also has bounced off its 50-day moving average nicely, and it's a 278. And what else we could just do? Netflix, NFLX, one more time, and this is a favorite stock again. NFLX is flirting with the 50-day. It bounced right off from here, and it's 242. Hopefully it should hit a little bit higher in the next few days. So that is all for today, and I'll get back to you with another edition.